Shay. I'm here for my Walmart weekend haul for you. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, definitely take a second to subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like and much. Did I say pow, 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 pow? Definitely take a second to subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like much, girl. So listen, y'all, as far as my weekend offer, or my weekend bonus rather, I think I need 12 offers for $3. I've been getting the $3 one a lot. I guess I can't complain though. At least I got something. I could not get nothing. I bought they could just be like, look, girl, you don't deserve a bonus. But, so I think I have 3 for 12. The larger bonus I think I need 50 for 5. And so I don't know how likely that's going to be. If y'all didn't watch my last video, those of you who are having issues with your offers on Ibotta and them being clipped but not being on your list, go watch the intro of my last video, because a few of you guys have said that was really helpful and that worked for you. Now, only thing is if the offer doesn't reset, it's not going to work because the offer didn't reset. So it's only going to be there if the offer reset. Because I do have offers that are clipped and that are no longer available. And so if I do that hack, it's not going to work because it didn't reset. It's just there. I am going to be doing Sprouts because I haven't been to Sprouts in a minute. So I have Sprouts. I have some deals for Target. And I only have one deal I did at Food for Less. I'm just tossing that in because I had to go there anyway to get burgers for Big Head. And so I figured I would just do that deal on the Blue Diamond Milk. It's a Ripple Street offer. And for that one, you had to take a picture. So I'm like such a dork trying to take the picture, but I don't know. I did it anyways, and I did use a coupon for it, so I'm hoping I get the full credit for it, which will be really, really cool. And so with that being said, we're gonna head to Walmart, see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. Did I say subscribe? I've been slipping. People don't be liking, people don't be subscribing anyway, so I don't even know if it really matters going through the whole thing of saying it every single time, because I feel like the likes be like less than 300. I don't know. People don't be liking. People don't be liking. I don't know. Every video I watch, I like. And if I have enough hypes, I hype. But I guess I'm not everybody. With that being said, we're going to head to Walmart. See what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, hit the like button, keep on watching, and hype your girl up. I mean, if you want to.
Yeah. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, this deal again? Look, Ibotta keep wanting to give them away, so guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to keep taking them. And my sister says she really likes them, so guess what I'm going to do? I did it again. All right, so we're grabbing the bargains again. Price at $2.97. The offer on Ibotta is for 3, makes them all free. I went ahead and grabbed a set for Walmart Rewards as well. Grabbing all 6 for free. All right, so this next deal is on the Splenda. We haven't gotten a deal on Splenda in like forever. And so I did see this posted on Instagram. Saving Money for Dummies posted it. It's a $5 offer. You can either submit your receipt or you can do the OTC. I was gonna submit the receipt, but I decided to just scan the OTC because sometimes they don't work for me. And so I grabbed the 100 count pack, price at $5.22, used the OTC and self-checkout, scanned perfectly fine, making that 22 cents. I'll have a link either in the Google Doc or I'll pin a comment. I was looking for this everywhere. It was right here in my face. That's what happens when you don't open your eyes. So this deal is on the Ocean Spray Pure Unsweetened. It's priced at $5.74. Grabbing 2 of them, you'll pay $11.48, getting back $9 on Spikebucks. Now, Spikebucks is the only app I have $9. All of the other apps, it's $8. And then $1.50 on checkout 51. It'll bring up down to 49 cents. It was on the True Move chocolate, price at $3.87. Getting back $2.50 on Ibotta, we'll bring that down to $1.37. I also have one for the, Milk 50. It looks like it's priced at $3.77. That offers also $2.50 back on Ibotta, making that $1.27. Still here's on the Gerber Gottoms. Now this store doesn't carry them, and I'm not really trying to drive to another store. Gas is like $5.60 a gallon, so we're not doing it. So listen, the Gerber Gottoms, they are priced at $5.48. For this, you want to grab 2 of them. You'll pay $10.96. You'll get back $5.48 on Fetch, and then $3.50 on Ibotta. Brings them down to 90 cents. I And of course, I'm doing this deal again. It's on the Finish 11 count, price at $4.94. Using this coupon right here, bring the total down to $194, getting back 2 on Ibotta, makes it a 6-cent moneymaker, limit of 3. One of you guys asked me, how is it that I can use coupons on offers on Ibotta? I just do. I don't do nothing different. Sometimes it don't work. I mean, most often than not it works, but sometimes it doesn't work. But if I have a coupon, I'm always going to try to use it. And of course, I'm going to go ahead and grab this deal again. As using my last 2 coupons. So I'm going to grab one at $3.97. $3 coupon will bring it down to 97 cents. Getting back $125 on Ibotta will make that a 28-cent moneymaker. Okay, so this deal here is on the Downy. I mentioned this in my last video. I think I was looking at it. I don't know why I kept thinking it was going to be one of the smaller ones like that. But it is priced at $4.47. For this, we have an offer for Walmart rewards for $2.50. It's going to make that $1.97. Next deal here is on the dial. I wanted to do this on my last video, but I totally forgot. So I'm going to go ahead and grab it today on the dial hand soap. It's on rollback for $2.58, grabbing 2 of them. The total is going to come to $5.16. I'll be using 2 of these dollar coupons here, which will bring the total down to $3.16. And then I'll get back $2 on You Promise and then $1 on Ibotta, making them only 8 cents each. Now, I would definitely check Fetch and see if you have an offer there. Yeah, so this next deal is on CoverGirl. When I posted my last video, the offer popped up on Ibotta, so now it's a triple stack. So if you want to grab the mascaras here priced at $5.98, you'll get back 2 on Ibotta, 3 on You Promise, and 3 on Checkout 51. It'll make that a $2.02 moneymaker. And then for face products, they have some that are priced at $5.97. I'm getting back 2 on Ibotta, 3 on You Promise, and 3 on Checkout 51 will make that a $2.03 moneymaker. And of course, if you can find any on clearance, even better deal for you. Okay, so listen, this is the only deal that I really went to Target for. I wanted to see if it was going to work. I saw it posted on Instagram a few days ago. And so it's on the Jubilee. This is a Target deal. They're 2 for $6, are $3.49 each. Now we have a free offer for aisle. It's glitching. And everybody has different links. And so I think I have like 5 of them, 5 different ones. Each link is sending you a text for a free offer. So when you do this, it's 1 per receipt, as is all of aisle offers for the most part. Now for this, I did 4 different transactions. I did 2 by themselves, 2 for $6. And then I got back $3 from aisle and $4 for Ibotta. And then the single ones rank up for $3.49. I got back $3.49 from aisle. And 1 of the receipts I've submitted, I got back 2. I'm waiting for the offer to reset a couple more times. But with this, you do want to do separate transactions. I would say try to make them somewhat different. I threw in the Wow chips with it. And I got different flavored chips just so the receipts didn't look completely the same. And so definitely try it. I'll have the links in a pinned comment. And yeah, I hope it works for you. All right, guys, so we are headed to Sprouts. I feel like I haven't been here in a hot minute. And so I put together some freebies between Aisle and Social Nature, a little bit of Ibotta. And so we're going to see what kind of deals we can work out. And so, yeah, without further ado, let's jump on in. All right, and so, of course, the first deal that I'm going to grab is the Wild Protein Chips. I still have a ton of referral offers from you guys. And so I'm going to grab one at $7.99. I'll get that back through aisles. If you haven't had a chance to claim this offer yet, you'll get back $3.50. All right, so next up is the Magic Truffle Bar. It's priced at $6.99. We have a free offer on Social Nature, and so, of course, I had to pick it up. All right, so this deal here is on the Back to Nature crackers. Now, I did this deal yesterday. I grabbed the wrong ones. I had to return them today and grab the correct ones, which you want to grab the Cheez-It ones. The white cheddar are the spicy ones. They're priced at $4.29. You want to grab 2.
That total is going to come to $8.58. Now I do have two different offers on Social Nature. One is for buy one get one free. The other is for $1. So I am getting back $5.29 plus $1 for each one Ibotta. It's going to bring them down to only 64 cents. All right, so this deal here is on the Go Raw Organic Sprouted Pumpkin Seeds. They're priced at $15.99, and for this we have a free offer on aisle. I had to pass because I'm not into the sprouted seeds type of situations, and so yeah. All right, next up is the C2O. It is buy one get one free, price at $2.79. I'm getting back a buy one get one free offer on aisle, making them both free. Next up is the Califia Farms Organic Soy Milk, price at $6.99. Now for this we do have a $3 giro. That'll bring it down to $3.99. And then getting back 50% of that, which would be $1.99 on Social Nature, would make it only $2. Now, I don't remember if you get back the 50% before coupon or after coupon as far as Social Nature. If it's before coupon, then it would be only 50 cents. All right, so next up is the Perk Electrolyte Drink Mix. It's priced at $12.99. We do have an offer for aisle, making this absolutely free. And last but not least is the Trip. I actually really like the pink one. But these are priced at $2.99. We have an offer for aisle, making it absolutely free with a limit of 3. So of course I went ahead and grabbed my complete haul for today. We're making fries, so you can probably hear them frying behind me. Hopefully it's not too loud. I'm gonna try to breeze through this, but everything here worked out good. I know I always get stupid nervous when it comes to doing a bunch of aisle offers because sometimes it be so slow. And right now, I'm a lot PayPal poor. Look, I'm PayPal poor. I'm PayPal poor right now waiting. And so, and I had a ton. I had all the Jubilee, which was 4 different receipts, 3 Wilds. I had the Trip, the C2O, the Perk. Yeah, that was it. So, but everything did clear. I'm just waiting for it all to process, which is good. So it is all on my activity. Coupons worked, Finish, and Airwick. Real quick, my IP Fairy, she does subscriptions now. And so you have to have a subscription with her. So she's not selling to just anybody anymore. I haven't gotten the subscription yet. I'm still like on the fence, but at the same time, I feel like for me, it's a little investment, I would say. And so there is that. I did have issues with aisle this time around as far as Sprouts. Some of my receipts was saying that I purchased it at the store that wasn't listed. All right, so I had to send extra pictures, and I basically just sent a picture of like the header of the Sprouts header, and it went through. But I did have that issue with 3 of the offers today, so just be aware of that. That being said, let's kind of run through this really quick. All right, so everything that you see here retails $150.66. I had $26 in coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $126.66. My sales tax was $5.87, walking away with $51.20 from aisle. Ibotta is $37.41. Really quick, I am waiting to submit 2 more receipts for the Jubilee. I did 1 receipt yesterday. It reset today. I did the other receipt. I have 2 more receipts to claim. All right. I'm adding the $4 because I believe it will reset. If it doesn't, I'll pin a comment, let you know it didn't. But as of now, we're going to say $37.41 for Ibotta. Social Nature, $12.28. Walmart Rewards is $8.91. You Promise, $8.51. PayPal, $7.67. Checkout 51 was $6.51. Ripple Street was $4.99. I did get the full credit for the milk that I forgot to bring the milk out. Back a total of $137.48. It's going to make everything you see here free plus a $10.82 money maker. I'm not mad at it at all. I really, really love this haul. I want to try that candy so bad, but why do I feel like I'm not going to like it? But it's magic. We all like magic, don't we? We all like magic. I don't know. I probably won't like it, but hey, I'll try it. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Really quick, congratulations to all of the graduates right now. Congratulations to the parents that are, watching their kids walk across the stage. Congratulations to the grandparents that are watching their kids walk across the stage. With that being said, if you make it to the end, let me see some. Is there a cap and gown emoji? I don't know. If there is, let me see some in the comments, or some celebratory type of emojis, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.